Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm here with my Birchbox unboxing for August 2018, and if you guys want to see what's in this month's box, then keep on watching. Here is our Birchbox for August 2018. It has this fun little color story of the last hurrah of summer, and I for one am so glad that summer is on its way out the door, even though today is literally the most picturesque, beautiful temperature day. Quite frankly, it's been too damn hot, and I've said that a lot in these videos this summer because I feel like that this summer has just been unbearably hot, humid, muggy, the worst. I am not living my best life in this, but thankfully fall is right around the corner and I'm so excited for it. This is the snapshots from summer. Soak it in. This month we're savoring the last moments of sweet summertime and reflecting on some highlights from the sun-filled season. Here we have some goodies inside, and let's go ahead and break it down. First item out of our Birchbox is from OUAI, and this is the Wave Spray. Now we know that I have recently discovered and became obsessed with this product, and normally I would be mad about receiving repeat product, especially in close proximity, because I think it was in my Sephora play for May that I got this bad boy in, but truthfully, I am not mad about this because my local Sephora has been sold out of the full size of this. Butterfingers. My local Sephora has been sold out of the full size of this, so I have been trying to not use the other sample that I've received so often, allowing myself to test out different products too. So this is definitely going to become a travel companion for me. I am not even going to use this. I'm going to go ahead and throw it right in my suitcase once I'm done filming, so I'm not tempted with the idea, because this is such a small, convenient travel size, and it is only 1 fluid ounce. This is perfect for on the go, traveling, throw it in your beach bag, throw it wherever. I'm pretty sure it made it into a favorites, and if it didn't, well, it's definitely one of my favorite hair care products I have tested from OUAI, and I will be sure to link down that Sephora play where I received it and reviewed it, so then that way you guys can see how I really feel about it. But just know, I love it a lot. Next, inside our Birchbox this month, we have 2 samples here, and these are from Oribe, and these are the Bright Blonde shampoo and conditioner for beautiful color. These are bonus products for this month, and I'm not quite sure why there was a bonus product inside, but I'm not going to go ahead and complain because we love testing out free products. I have recently become a bigger fan of Oribe hair care because of that matte texture wave lotion, whatever it was. It was in my last favorites video, but I love Oribe, but I hate how expensive this is. But if this is a purple shampoo, I have just bought that giant size of the Joico, but it is something to consider in the future. I thought that spending $27 was a little pricey even on the dry bar, which was a true genuine purple, but I don't know, because these guys, their full size retail value is $46 and $48, and to me it's a little nerve-wracking to help enhance those blonde colors, so they're silver colors, rather than promoting the brassiness and taking that out of the hair. So I'm definitely excited because I love testing out different shampoos, especially purple shampoos, because I need to get my hair redone because the highlights are starting to fade and my roots are growing in. But this is definitely something I'm excited to try out because, again, I want to see if there are other products from Oribe to justify spending the money on it. Next, in our Birchbox, we have something from Avene, and this is the Cleanance Expert. This is all that it says here. Lightweight treatment simultaneously moisturizes and mattifies, all while reducing redness and preventing future breakouts. So it's basically kind of like a moisturizer lotion type of deal here. I have tested Avene. They make one of my all-time favorite micellar waters, and I do like their products because they work well. I think it has that thermal water that works with it. I don't know what that does, but it makes my skin feel good, and I'm not going to ask questions about it. So those cicadas are fierce outside today. That micellar water has still been my absolute top ranked #1 fire flame emoji favorite micellar water I've ever used, and I have yet to buy a full size because I like to test out different ones, but that is one that I was obsessed with, and we'll see if I'm obsessed with this too from this line. Next in our Birchbox, we have here something from MALIN GOETZ, and this is the Grapefruit Face Cleanser. I've never heard of this, but I will say I love kind of the basic minimal aesthetics of this. I don't know, I'm weird, and packaging to me doesn't have to be super flashy, and to me this just seems kind of generic, but let's go ahead and see what this does. This is a amino acid based cleanser with naturally antibacterial grapefruit to prevent blemishes, while hydrating glycerin and sodium soften the skin. And it definitely smells, it definitely smells like grapefruit. That's something that, you know, could be a good thing, could be a bad thing, I'm not really sure. It just looks like it's gonna be a gel. I'm wondering if it's going to lather up. Only time will tell. I know on a first impression I do like the smell of this because who doesn't love citrus, and I feel like this is going to be something that will really brighten and wake up your skin. I'm assuming with that grapefruit it's going to, like I said, brighten. So we'll have to test it and see. I am excited because I am on the market for a new face cleanser, and who's to say that this won't replace a current use of mine. This is the No Poreblem primer from Touch in Sol. And this is just a lightweight gel primer that shrinks pores, protects and nourishes skin, and it moisturizes. So it's supposed to have a pinky tint to it, so it's going to give you a little bit of a glow, I guess. So on the back here, we'll try this out. It says that it's supposed to have like a pinky peach. Oh man! No! 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 Stuff. Can't get it out of the packaging, which is unfortunate. So I just had a casualty of my skirt, which is unfortunate. So I'm gonna go ahead and knock off points for that casualty we just suffered on my skirt. And it could just simply be because of the sample packaging, but this is super hard to get out, and you saw how it literally erupted. So in terms of primers, I already have my favorites. I've never heard of Touch in Sol, but it's not to say that I can't discover a new favorite or discover something from them that I like. But I'm already not happy because I just got smuts all over my skirt now, and that's not fun. Last thing inside our Birchbox this month is a lip gloss from Winky, and this is the Disco Kitten gloss in the shade color Far Out, and this is such a, this is definitely far out. This is far out of my comfort zone, rather. So this is a shade shifting gloss packed with smooth glitter particles to transform into a prismatic perfect for you pink. This guy is definitely a conversation starter, and if this is going to be a color changing lip gloss, let's go ahead and see and put it to the test. It's been a minute since we've done a live swatch, but let's go ahead and test this guy out. I'm really nervous for this though. Let's see. So this is Far Out on the lips, and I will say that I can rest assured that it's not going to be obnoxious blue. In fact, this is very minimal when it comes to the sparkle. You can definitely see some of the glitter reflectant in it, but it's not overwhelming. Like, I looked at that and it looked like straight shimmer, and I received a lip gloss like a couple months ago, almost a year ago, in one of my subscriptions that was straight up glitter on the lips. This is not like that. This is, yeah, broccoli in your teeth. It's reassuring to know that it is not that cosmic, like, crazy glitter on the lip. In fact, it's very subtle and it's very pretty. I really do love the pink finish that it does give because, again, it's, you know, not overbearing. That glitter isn't too crazy, and also it's a fun product. I know I've tested Winky in the past, and I have been a pretty big fan of their different glosses, of their highlights, and in all, I'm a pretty big fan of this. It wears really well. It's not tacky like most glosses. In our Ipsy bag this month, like, that was a tacky gloss. This is one that's really comfortable. This is, doesn't even feel like that there's anything on my lip right now, but when I look in the mirror, I am pleased with that pinkish finish that it gives. So in all, I'm pretty surprised. That was everything that was inside my Birchbox this month, so thank you guys so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. If you like my videos, and if you like my content, and if you like me, feel free to subscribe by hitting the button down below and getting notified when I post new Birchboxes. I would be peeved about receiving a repeat product, but because it is something that I'm truly obsessed with, I am not mad in the slightest. I'm excited to try out those face products because my skincare has been getting a little boring when it comes to my routine, so I want to try to spice it up and see if there's something new. But needless to say, I'm going to give this month's box an overall first impression of a B+. I don't want to grade it too harshly and say that the products like sucked, but I don't want to say like this is the greatest box ever. But I will be sure to do a full blog review over the blog, and you guys can check that out at Life with Sarah or at sarahlock.com. 2H's 2Ks. I'll also be sure to list all my social media profiles down below too, so you can follow me wherever I might be. And with that said, I'm going to go ahead and finish eating my lunch, and I'm going to go ahead and bounce out of here. So thank you guys again so much for watching. Take care, love you always, and until next time, we'll see you guys later. Bye.